Welcome to this guided meditation for healing after a breakup. If you're going through a challenging time and seeking solace, this session will support you in finding peace and moving forward. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax and settle. Gently close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any tension or stress you might be holding. Feel the weight of your body grounding you into this present moment. With each inhale, draw in calmness and healing energy. With each exhale, release any feelings of pain or sadness. Allow yourself to be fully present in here and now. Now let's bring our focus to healing. Imagine yourself in a serene and safe space, a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a peaceful beach, a tranquil forest, or a cozy room. Visualize this space with vivid detail, letting it provide you with comfort and calm. As you breathe deeply, allow yourself to acknowledge any emotions or thoughts related to your breakup. Recognize these feelings without judgment and gently guide your focus back to your breath. This practice helps create a sense of calm and acceptance. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you breathe, try to focus solely on the sensation of your breath, entering and leaving your body. Imagine a soft healing light surrounding you. Visualize this light enveloping your entire body, soothing and comforting you. This light represents your inner strength and capacity for healing. As it gently wraps around you, feel any tension or sadness beginning to melt away. Embrace this light as a source of warmth and reassurance. In this moment of peace, let's take a moment to consider forgiveness. You may be holding on to feelings of anger or disappointment because your partner couldn't be the person you wanted them to be in your life. With a compassionate heart, visualize extending forgiveness to them and to yourself. Understand that forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, freeing you from the weight of lingering pain. Feel a sense of release and lightness as you let go of any lingering resentment or hurt. Sometimes we have to separate from those we love because they've hurt us too deeply to forgive, or their presence in our lives is too damaging. If you aren't able to extend forgiveness to your ex-partner because they abused or traumatized you, give yourself permission to move forward and close this chapter of your life without forgiving them. Give yourself permission to be free from anger and anxiety, even if you aren't able to forgive. Next, focus on self-compassion. Place your hand over your heart and take a moment to offer yourself kindness and understanding. Remind yourself that it's okay to grieve and to take time to heal. Gently say to yourself, "I am worthy of love and healing. I honor my feelings and give myself permission to heal. I am strong and I will move forward with grace." Next, focus on self-compassion. Place your hand over your heart and take a moment to offer yourself kindness and understanding. Remind yourself that it's okay to grieve and take time to heal. Gently say to yourself, "I am worthy of love and healing." I honor my feelings and give myself permission to heal. I am strong and I will move forward with grace. Feel the warmth of these affirmations comforting you, reinforcing your inner strength and resilience. Imagine a gentle breeze carrying away any remaining sadness or pain. Picture these emotions being lifted and carried off into the distance, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. Allow this breeze to take away any negative feelings, making space for new beginnings and positive energy. Visualize yourself moving forward with a sense of hope and renewal. Imagine yourself embracing new opportunities and experiences with an open heart. Feel a sense of optimism as you look towards the future, knowing that healing and growth are within your reach. To conclude our session, take a few more deep, calming breaths. Inhale peace and strength. Exhale any remaining discomfort. Allow yourself to feel a renewed sense of calm and hope. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and healing with you as you move forward on your journey. Thank you for joining this meditation. Remember, healing is a process, and you are on your way to brighter days. Be gentle with yourself and embrace the journey of recovery. Have a restorative day filled with pure peace.